back to my channel. My name is Fantasy. If you're new here, I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, vlogs, the whole 9 yards. And today's video is going to be a haul. It has been so long since I have done a haul for you guys, so I just wanted to bring one to you guys. And we have some that we got from Prettylittlething. Prettylittlething was kind enough to gift your girl some items to show you guys. And I also got some things from Maniere DEVOIR. You guys know how much I love me a Maniere DEVOIR, okay? So if you want to see how these items look on, my thoughts on them, my initial reactions, because a lot of these things I have not even tried on or opened, then just keep on watching. Before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first one is actually a corset top. This is their stone woven fold over zip top. I seen this top on the website and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need this. I'm just such in a corset era and I just love corsets. I feel like it's easy for me to like layer if I wanted to layer them on top of like a sweater or a t-shirt, long sleeve button down, or just wear it by itself. I feel like I can just get so many wears out of a corset. I just love me a good corset. That's just like where I'm at right now. I have like 10 corsets right now. I don't know why I'm obsessed with them, but I am. It does have 2 bonings in the front. It doesn't have anything on the side, but it has elastic on the side. I got mine in a size UK 10. I don't know what that is in US. I'm so sorry. US 6, UK 10. They didn't have a 4. I would really like a 4, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just get a 10 because I really want this. So if I need to take it in, I'll just go get it taken in. It is what it is. And just so you guys have reference, I am a 34 bust, 27 waist, and 42 hip. So just so that you have reference on like my sizings and why I got certain things, you have an idea of that. Now I got the matching bottom to it because I was just like, why not? It's like this wide leg pants. And I was just like, you know what, why not just get the matching pant? I love to get sets because I can wear them together and I can wear them separate. And this is just a top that a bottom that I feel like I can definitely wear. Now it is pretty thin, to be honest. You know what I mean? Like I wouldn't wear, let me see if I could see this like clip under it. It's just very lightweight. Let me just say that. It's very lightweight. I wouldn't wear like a colorful panty under. Just in case if you go out to the club and you're dancing and you shaking, you know, your little tail feather, and somebody put some flash on you, I don't know. It may come out, I don't know. I didn't really see that, but just from the material alone, what I'm seeing is it just, yeah. I would wear like nude colored panties under. It's just very, very thin. It's very thin. You can even see, you can't see it on camera, but I can see the my skin through the pants. And now when it comes to the material itself, I don't feel like it has, it doesn't have stretch. Like the waist part is the only part that's elastic. I got mine in a size 4, no, a size 6 as well. So I got it in a size 6. I kind of wanted it to be oversized, so that's the reason why I got this. And now we go on to the next set, which is another corset bottom and top. I don't know why I was just obsessed with the corsets. They just look so good on. I'm going to show you guys like the pictures of them here, but they just look so good on the person. And whenever I see them, I'm like, I want it. So I got this one, which is like a 2-toned type of corset. So it has like this army green here, and then it has the black, you know, material down here. I got this in a size 4. I got this in a US size 4, and then it has like the silver zipper in the back. It's more of a cropped corset, like it's really small and tiny, but I just really liked it. I really liked the pant, and then when I saw the top, I was just like, you know what, why not just get it as a set and just like, you know, see what I can do with these things. So I'm trying to really go for like neutral clothing, a lot of neutral clothing, stuff that has less print, not so much statement pieces, but things that are neutral that I can wear for like longevity. And for the cargo pants, I just really am, I'm also in a cargo era. Cargo right now is just, it's just, me and cargos just go together really bad, like really bad. Okay, y'all. So these are the cargo pants that I got, and it has like this band across it. I just feel like it's so cool. It's so fun. I love the material. It's actually pretty thick and like kind of heavy for a Prettylittlething pants. You guys know how Prettylittlething be sometimes, child. I'm just saying. It's a little cheap, but it is what it is. Either way, it gets the job done, and it does what the girls need to do. I love the boot cut of it. It's just something that I feel like I can wear with other tops, and I can wear the top with other bottoms, and I can wear them together. It's just, I'm loving it. I saw it, I saw the pants, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta have the pants. And then I saw the top, and I was like, you know what, might as well. Okay. I've really been searching for some boyfriend jeans. I've really been searching for some really nice, like, high-rise boyfriend jeans, y'all. I haven't tried these on yet. These are freshly folded. So fingers crossed they fit. I got them super large because I'm like, if I have to take them in, I would rather get it a little bit bigger, and like I have to take in like the waist part of it so it can fit me the way I want it to, than to get it at the size that I think I need to get and then it doesn't fit. So when I tell you guys the sizing, that's the reason why. So I got a size 8. I am not a size 8. I am a size 4, size 6 sometimes. Size 8 is like kind of large for me. So it's definitely not going to fit my waist. It's going to be very gappy around the waist. But I really just wanted it to be oversized. I wanted an oversized black denim jean that I can wear out. That's all I wanted. So I'm going to have to get it tailored around the waist area for sure. But I love the fit of it. I love the look that I have in my mind. Like, it may not look all that to you guys, but the look that I have in my mind, and I really want to wear it with like the corset, this corset top. For some reason, I'm just obsessed with the nude and black combo, like these two together. I feel like it's going to be a moment. I need to go out. I want to go out so bad. Like, I just need to start getting outside. It's so hard for me to go outside nowadays, and I just need to get outside. Like, that's just what it is. The next item that I got, I'm actually pretty excited about. I have not got a denim jumpsuit of any kind in so long. So this one, I look so cute, y'all. What? Like, wife, okay. I'm sick of me. Anyways, so I haven't got a denim jumpsuit of any kind in so long. And I think that I wanted this so damn bad that I got it in, is this a petite one? Yes, this is freaking petite, y'all. It's petite. So please don't judge me if it don't fit right, because I just wanted it so bad and they didn't have it in regular size. So I was like, I'm just going to get the petite and I'm going to like size up and hopefully it fits the way it needs to fit. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm 5'7". I'm not that far from 5'5". So like, it should work. I don't know. Don't be like me. But like the torso portion, I already know it's gonna be off. Like, I haven't put it on yet, but it's just I'm gonna make it work. I'm going to make it work. I have to, because it's here. What am I gonna do? Nothing. So yeah. Anyways, it's cute though. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the screenshot of the actual picture of it so you guys can get the idea of what I was going for. It's just so cute, and I did not want to like not get it, so I had to get it. But I do wish that I got it in just the regular size, because I feel like everything is just gonna be off. But I do wish that I got it in the regular size. But I mean, what is a girl to do? What is a girl to do? Exactly. Okay, and then the last thing that we got from Pretty Little Thing is this faux leather jacket, like gray button down trench coat. It has buttons and a belt. I really kind of liked it. I wanted to see how it looked in person. I feel like online it was kind of hard for me to kind of like get an idea of it. I think Molly May had it on, if I'm not mistaken, and I just wanted to I didn't have anything like this in my closet. I have grays. Like, I have a gray wool jacket that I got from Zara. That's about it. I think that's it. So I just wanted another gray outfit. You know what I mean? I wanted another gray moment, and I felt like it was a perfect type of trench that I could wear on a regular everyday with like a white t-shirt, denim jeans, like super simple, but it'll like zhuzh up my outfit. And that's the reason why I got it. I got it in a size 4, US 4, UK 8. And for the feel of it, the feel does not feel cheap at all. Like, honestly, it doesn't feel like pleather. It doesn't feel like faux leather. It actually feels pretty good, and the weight of it is not super light. I feel like I remember one time I had ordered a leather jacket from another website, and it felt like paper. It felt like, baby, it felt like this little piece of paper right here was heavier than it. It was heavier than it. It was so thin, it literally felt like I had on a plastic bag, and it was supposed to be like a pleather type of jacket, because I just don't want to buy leather jackets. Like, I don't really care to buy a leather trench. I'm not that invested in leather to own a real leather trench. I'm just not. I could really care less. If it's cute, I'm wearing it, I don't care. That's just how I am. I'm not one of those girls that's like, it has to be leather, it has to be designer, it has to be. If I like it, I'm gonna get it. And if it so happens to be designer, then I'm gonna get it. If it's not designer, I'm still going to get it because I like it. So now we're on to Maniere DEVOIR, and the first item that I got is this black dress that has these leather sleeves. So fire. I am on the search for some really fire black boots. And you guys know those black like heel, like hidden boots. It's kind of like a Givenchy like dupe type of heel, but like the skinny heel. I'm kind of contemplating if I should get that. I think Macy's has it or something. I've seen somebody have it, but it's just so nice. And then it has like these see-through corners here, so you know you gotta get your like a nice little nude panty or something, or like a nude spank. Put that under to really have the body snatched under, but you want your nude spank to be your skin complexion so it looks like you have no clothes on, but you actually have clothes on. Okay, that's the tea. Because I'm not going to be out here freeballing. That's just not my steez. It's just not for me. I am going to wear a Spanx though. Like, I'm going to have my body snatched under. That's my secret sauce. Like, people be like, yo, Fancy White, yo, Brandon, what you got on? It's Spanx. Like, and it may not specifically be like the Spanx brand Spanx. It could be Skims, it could be Spanx, it could be like anything, but it's Spanx. I wear Spanx all the time. I just love the way it makes my body look. It just snatches you like no other. I'm not wearing a faja, I'm wearing Spanx. It just feels, it's amazing. It's comfy, it's just nice. It just does a nice little silhouette. Body be tight, eyes be sitting, you feel me? Yeah. So this is that, and I just love this piece. Some of these things I got a while ago, so they may or may not be still in stock. I don't know. I apologize if they're not, but if they do come back in stock, make sure you hop on this. This one is so fire. Waiting for the perfect moment to wear this. It does have like shoulder padding, so that is like something that I'm a little like, I don't know. But because it has the leather, I feel like it just gives like an edgy type of vibe. Like, yeah, I'm ready for some nights out so I can wear this out. This bad boy needs to be seen. You feel me? Yeah. So now the next thing that we got from Maniere DEVOIR is this two-piece set. It's actually like a fuzzy, cute two-piece skirt set. I am so not a skirt girl, so I don't know what possessed me to wear this or to order this, because I am not a skirt girl. I've never wore skirts. I'm not interested in skirts. I feel like skirts make me look so wide because the way my body is set up is like, I'm, you know, so whenever I wear skirts, everything just looks so, especially when it has like lines on them, everything just looks so more blown out than it is, and it just kind of like rubs me the wrong way. But either way, I felt like it was a cute set and I wanted it, and I'm really just looking for some thigh-high boots or like knee-high boots that I could wear these with, because I just feel like that's what's really going to give this the extra zhuzh that it needs. You guys aren't able to see the full color up close, but this is how it looks. And then this is the top here, and then it has the Maniere DEVOIR sign, which is like, it kind of like a Paris sign. The Eiffel Tower. Next item we got is actually an item that you guys have already seen. It is the Maniere DEVOIR leather pants. I love these freaking leather pants. I wore this on my IG a couple of months back, like, so I've had this for a while, but I was like, you know, let me just include it because I don't think I've ever came on here and actually did a haul of any kind when I bought it. But it's still available. That's the reason why I'm showing it as well. It's not like it's like limited edition and you're not going to be able to get your hands on it, but they're so fire. They're cargos, but it's like the perfect type of like leather cargo. Like, it has all these wrinkles and it's not really a wrinkle. It's just the fabric. I've never seen anything like it. It has so many damn pockets. It's just that, he gets it. Little did I know that Maniere DEVOIR's owner was a man. I did not know that. I did not know that. I think he used to be like a soccer player or something like that. I didn't even know that. And it's like, boy, what are you doing here? Ariana, what are you doing here? The next one that we got, as you guys can see, I'm telling you guys, I'm just in a cargo era. The next one that we got is this like tan nudish cargo pant. And it's high-waisted. It did come with like a matching top, which I didn't get. And now that I think about it, I kind of regret it, but at the same time, I don't. Like I said, I want to start buying more neutral, not so much statement pieces, even though I have a few statement pieces in here. you haven't seen like the statement, but like the gray leather, for example, it's kind of a statement because it has that like very distinctive like print on it. But I do want to start getting more neutrals and really building up my closet to be I don't want to call it a capsule closet, but something where so many outfits can go together and make another outfit. So if I buy an outfit, I want to be able to think of 3 other ways to wear it before I buy it. If I buy it and I can only wear it the way it is, I'm not going to buy it. You know what I mean? If I like it and I can only wear it that one way that it is in store, I'm not going to buy it. And if I can wear it multiple ways, or I can think of multiple ways of wearing it, then I'm going to get it, because then it's a piece that I can wear multiple times different ways and it not look like I have the same outfit on. So I do feel like that about these cargos. I can wear them different ways. Obviously, they're a very distinct color. They're a very distinct type of cargo. So obviously, if I'm wearing it like twice a week, you're going to be able to tell, baby, you got the same cargos like you had on last Monday. And it's Friday. What? You ain't got no other pants? Baby, come on. But, you know, either way, that's that. The last thing that we got is actually from Hanifa. I got these lemonade pink pants. I actually pre-ordered these long ago. Like when they launched it, it was like, we're going to get this, pre-order it. I pre-ordered it the same day. The same exact, I needed these pants. I don't even know where I'm going to wear these pants. I haven't even worn it yet. It's just sitting in my closet. It's hanging in my closet. I haven't even worn it. But I want it because I don't even know pants that look like this. This is such a statement piece. It's such a fun summer piece. I can't wait to wear it. I am really excited to finally put this on. I do need to take it to the tailor to take it in around the waist, because I got it in the size medium because I wasn't sure for sizing. This is actually my second time ordering from Hanifa. The last time that I ordered, I wasn't really happy. Seaming was ripping. Things were ripping. I was kind of disappointed, especially for like a $200, $300 piece, top and bottom. They were both like $150 each. So I was kind of annoyed about that. I feel like if I'm going to spend my money and I'm going to spend $150, I want it to be worth $150. I don't mind spending $150 on a basic t-shirt. I need it to just be of quality. I need it to last. I need to be able to get $150 worth of wear out of it without it falling apart. And I literally only wore it on vacation. That was my first time wearing it, and I was in Hawaii, and it was literally tearing apart. I don't know if you guys saw that vlog or not, but I was a little disappointed. But either way, when I saw this, I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it, because there's so much more good reviews than there are bad. I could just got a bad batch. It happens. Like, it is what it is. But I am very happy with this one, and I'm so excited that I got my hands on it. And I'm just excited to just shop for new clothes. I need to also go through my closet and take out a lot of clothes that I have not worn in a long time. But I'm just so excited to shop for new clothes and really build up my capsule collection, my grown era, my new era of clothing. But that is the end of this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. I also am in a new setup right now. So I'm sitting in front of my closet. And now that I'm here, I'm realizing how high this is. I kind of wanted it a little bit lower, or maybe I just need a higher chair to where I'm sitting higher, because my chair is for my vanity and it is pretty low. But it just seems so low. Like I don't really, and I'm sitting on stuff to get myself higher, because if not, my head would be like right here. So I would be in my shoes. I didn't realize how short this chair is until I sat here to actually do this video. But let me know what you guys think about this setup. I usually sit the other way with where my windows is, but I wanted to do a haul, and I wanted to be like a feel of like in my closet. And I also shot my perfume haul as well. I shot that in my closet as well, facing the closet, to feel like, you know, you're in my closet. So let me know if you guys like the idea of being in the closet when we're doing like hauls or perfume videos or bag videos, and then like the makeup videos and everything else, we do it on the other side. Let me know what you guys think. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.
That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching, getting under my skin.